Oh, you stay here. Okay, let's get into business. Hey guys, in my hands I have the Ray-Ban and Meta smart glasses. Let's unbox it together. I actually got this as a birthday gift from a very special person. I know you're gonna see this video. I just want to say thank you so much for my beautiful gift, and I love it. Okay, let's get into mine came in a style Skyler, and this is the Ray-Ban and Meta smart glasses. I'm sure you have seen these glasses around, somewhere around, and I just got to lay my hands on one of these as a birthday present. How sweet. The features are you can listen to music, you can make phone calls, you can live stream, you can take pictures, and you can record videos. So when you open these, come like that. This is the case. This case is also a charging case. So when you open it, you see the green light. Mine is fully charged right now. If you see the green light, it just means that it's fully charged. When the battery is running low, it's going to be yellow. It's also using a USB-C charger to charge. So I think that's also pretty cool. So here comes like this. This is so if you look closely, this is where the glasses charge. And I really love this case. It's very good material. The leather looks very firm. Even the glass, this part, if the glasses is in, it doesn't just like fall, or like, you know, when you squeeze it together for it to like shrink together. It doesn't really do that. It's really firm. That means it protects your glasses really well. I really love this case. Let's get into these glasses. This is the shape. And I really like this style. It looked like a cat eye, and because of my facial structure, I think it's gonna look nice on me. Let's try it on. Okay, baby. Hey, who's this? Who's this? Over here is the camera that records video and take pictures, and on this side you have the touchpad. Let me just put it on. So the touchpad is on this side. You just tap on it to listen to music. I'm actually using my phone to record right now, so the music, you're not going to hear it because I'm also talking at the same time. For volume, you go like this, goes up, and then to reduce your volume, it goes like this. You reduce the volume. So the touchpad is on the side. At the same time, if you're playing music, you just tap on it and the music is going to be playing. I do not know how much these glasses cost. Like I said, it was given as a birthday gift, but I know it's a little bit on the pricey side, and I'm very grateful I was able to get this for the birthday gift because I really love it. I really love it. The capture button is right here. So like this. Capture button is right here. So if you just go like this, it takes picture, and then you hold on it for like 3 seconds or so to record your video. Now it's recording, and let's say you want to record somebody unknown to them. I'm sure because of the light, they're going to notice that you're actually recording them because you can see the light flashing. Yeah, so they're going to notice that you are actually recording them. And to stop the video, you just click here. Yeah, for more information on these glasses, you can also refer to the Ray-Ban website to get more information about more features and most of the perks. But for me, I love it so much. If you're looking to get one of these glasses, I think they're gonna be pretty worth the money. One more thing I noticed about these glasses is that they transition, because I noticed I was outside recording a video and the lenses transition, it turned darker, which is pretty good, especially for the sun. When you're outside, you're wearing it outside of the sun. I think that is a pretty cool feature. This picture, let's take one more. One more. This is so cool. Let's ask Meta what's the weather first. Let's see. Hey Meta, what is the weather? Okay, let's turn the volume on first. I don't know if it's here. Okay, over here. I want you guys to hear when Meta is speaking to me.
I can't help with that yet, but I'm learning more every day.
Hey Meta, what's the weather right now in BC?
In Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, it's currently cloudy at 13 degrees Celsius.
You hear that? I'm sure you heard it. Hey Meta, what do I have in my hands?
You have a pink iPad in your hands.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Did you hear that? Meta said I have a pink iPad in my hand. This is how it works. This is pretty. I really love it. I really love it. I'm gonna be using it more often for hands-free content. What else? Mostly, yeah, hands-free content. And yeah, I hope you like this video. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.